Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the two adjectives, lithe and lissome. The two words are connected, they've got the same root. Let's see, I'm going to start with lithe. If you describe something as live or somebody as lithe, it means they are thin and flexible. They're graceful in movement. The dancer was made very quick, lithe movements. He danced lithely. Yeah, so thin, attractive, flexible, graceful, moving easily. And then lissome has the same idea, attractively thin and able to move quickly and smoothly. She had a lissome body and was very supple. Okay, so lissome, it means slim, not skinny, but thin and agile and bendable, easy to move. Her slight lissome figure was incredibly elegant in this black dress. Okay, so lissome and lithe, effectively they mean the same thing. Okay, so lithe, something that's easily bent, easily flexible, characterized by flexibility and grace. So, for example, a grapevine, this is a very lithe plant. It's easily bent and it climbs very easily, going in different ways. So lithe, athletically slim. He was a very lithe gymnast, yeah? So very flexible, able to move with a lot of ability, bendy, flexible, limber, yeah? Pliable, supple, okay? The lithe body of a dancer, or maybe when people are fencing with swords, the lithe blade of the fencing sword, okay? And lissome is a synonym for it, okay? So lissome, easily bent, nimble. Notice as well the word lissome with or without an E. I think it's probably more common with an E, but you could spell it without any problem as well. Okay, so yeah, agile, graceful, light-footed, spry as well. The lissome actress danced in a beautiful way. Yeah, when you're weaving baskets, you need a lissome material, something that bends, is very flexible. Yeah, it's something that you can bend in different directions. Okay, so readily bent, supple. The lithe branches of a birch are good. Birch is a type of tree, are good for making baskets. Willow is quite a lithe plant as well. He lithely walked across the narrow bridge. He lithely walked along it. A cat is an incredibly lithe animal. Yeah, it's very agile and flexible. Yeah, and then if it's lissome, okay, it's also giving this extra idea of being slim and strong, but not too thin. Okay, so lithe, slim, yeah, a lithe body, or something that's capable of being bent. The trunk of I was going to say the trunk of a lion. No, the trunk of an elephant is an incredibly lithe organ. It can bend it in all sorts of directions. His Lissom movements were very beautiful, were very graceful. So Lissom, flexible, graceful movements. So yes, his lissomness, his litheness, both of those work as nouns as well. Okay, let's see. How formal are these? I think lithe I would give maybe a 6.5 in formality. It's just about on the edge of usable in an informal conversation, although probably more common for a descriptive writing or something like that. Lissom, I think, is more formal again. It's less common. I think I would probably give it a 7, and I don't think I would use Lissom in an informal conversation. Keep it to semi-formal and formal things. And then as to origin, well, firstly, the word Lissom comes from lithe. It actually comes from lithesome, yeah, from Middle English. So yes, agile, flexible, and graceful. And then this word lithe, okay, in Middle English we have lithen, from Old English liban, to go, to travel, to sail, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic libana, to go or to leave, and itself from Proto-Indo-European late, to go, to depart, to die. Okay, we have a Dutch word, I think lijden, to suffer, something like that, and German leden, yeah, to permit, to suffer, to allow. Okay, so you need to be lithe when speaking English. You see there, I've used it metaphorically. A lithe use of grammar will make your speech and your writing sound much better. Okay, so lithe and lissome. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lithe and lissome.